Okay, good morning. Beautiful autumn morning here in the Midlands on our public holiday Workers' Day, going up to Nottingham Road to SANI Pass. We've gone about 10 k's out the village and our trusted old Land Rover Dog's Bollocks has given up the ghost. Collapsed in a piece after hitting a pothole. Then we tried to tow and the whole tow bar came off. So we're having a very slow start to our beautiful autumn day on our way up to SANI. So hopefully we get there. See you later. Bye.
I could paint all the colors in the world, but they would be blind to your eyes. They see me deep in truth, there's no escape, no room for disguise. So we'll dive inside your seas once more.
Low range D3 cruise.
I'm not afraid to be